One day you may find yourself in need of legal help, and instead of waiting to do all your research in the heat of the moment, you can get ahead now during Counselor's Corner.
Joining us now is Ofelia Markarian with Ofelia Markarian Law Group. Good morning and welcome.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure.
Yes. So you actually handle 3 areas of law: personal injury, criminal defense, and family law. Do sometimes these areas sort of overlap?
Yes, absolutely. And that is exactly why I do these 3 areas, because it's interesting. These areas actually overlap more than people think. For example, in a family case, you might be in a custody battle and one party may have a criminal case such as a DUI or domestic violence, and that could affect the family custody case. And if you have an attorney that doesn't understand criminal law, you won't get the best outcome in family court. Same goes for personal injury. You know, you could have a personal injury settlement that could affect your family law case or your criminal case. If you're charged with a DUI or domestic violence and you have to pay restitution, your settlements from a personal injury case can come into effect in all these areas.
Yeah.
So that's exactly why I practice 3 areas, because to me, I'd like to give a client a comprehensive representation.
I mean, you kind of answered my next question within that, and it kind of makes sense to me as well. But what is the benefit of having a lawyer who practices in different areas of law? Because normally people would seek out someone who specializes in a certain area, or they'd have to go and do a lot of research with a bunch of different people. But clearly there are benefits to having someone who practices multiple.
It's funny that you said specialized, because when I first started this, I got a lot of negative feedback and a lot of criticism in regards to not specializing in just one area and doing more than one. The benefit that a client will get from an attorney that practices multiple areas is that you get a one big representation, one big picture of your case, versus having to go to one attorney that does this or one attorney that does that, and everybody gives you a different opinion, different advice, and your cases are not put together and they're not handled in one, which to me I think is very important, to be able to handle multiple cases in one.
Yeah.
And
when it comes to these different areas, there are so many different high-stakes situations. There's a lot of emotional aspects to this. How do you balance that with really trying to look for the outcome you're looking for, as well as dealing with the case at hand?
Well, family law is very dramatic, lots of emotion. Criminal and personal injury, high stakes. So to me, to be able to balance it out, I pretty much, in my mind, keep the client's long-term result in my mind and balance it out with their emotions today. But keeping that long-term goal in my mind is what balances out and keeps you moving forward with the case in order to get that best possible outcome for the client.
Yeah, and how does managing different types of cases help you think outside the box and solve issues or solve problems or help in general?
To me, it's the best. I am exposed to criminal court, family court, civil court. I'm in front of different judges. I get to see different areas of law and the way people and judges rule and the way things are handled. So I take that in, and it helps me be creative with my cases and not just have a standard solution to, you know, my client's problems, because every single client, every single case is completely different.
Mm-hmm.
And because of that, I mean, it can be very overwhelming to choose the right representation depending on whatever the situation is. So what advice might you have for someone who is finding themselves in their particular situation and they're at that point of seeking the right representation?
I think first, it's very important that you find an attorney that you actually connect with on a personal level. You know, you want to make sure that your attorney understands you, understands where you're coming from, understands your legal problem and the facts of your case. And you want an attorney that has experience and practices multiple areas so that they can bring that experience and apply it to you and your case specifically, which at the end, you know, gives you a more narrow result.
Well, thank you so much for coming in. We're excited because we're going to be spending once a month with you, and you'll be able to help our viewers answer some questions and you know, fill them in on areas of law that they may not be familiar with. So thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Yes.
Personal injury, criminal defense, and family law. Ofelia Markarian Law Group does it all, and you can find them at 411 East Bonneville Avenue.
Go to OpheliaMarkarianLaw.com or call the number right there on your screen.